Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see how to install TurboC on Windows 10. First, we need to open the browser. We need to open the Google Chrome. We need to go to the Google and we need to search for TurboC. We need to go to Softonic website and download the setup from there. So here the option is free download for Windows. Just click on it. It will start the download. Again we need to click on it. We need to cancel this. It will download the Opera. Yeah, now download will start and it will take some time. The setup is around 2 MB. Now the package is downloaded. We can go to the download folder and we can right click on this zip file and we can extract to TurboC folder. Now we can go inside this and we can click on the setup file. It will ask for the acceptance. We need to click on it. Then we need to click on finish to finish the setup. Now to run it, we need to go to the Windows sign and then we need to click on the TurboC application. This will start the TurboC UI. It will look like this. We need to go on file. We need to create a new file. We need to save this file with some name. We can save this file with .c extension. We can click on OK. Now here I am writing some code to print some string on the terminal. So we need to include the stdio.h file. We need to have one function which is main, and we need to write something in this function definition. First we need to clear the terminal. Clear screen is the function to clear the screen. And to print the string on the terminal, I am using the printf function, and the string is welcome to TurboC program. So this will print in the output of this program. Now to hold the output window, I'm using some function which is getch. It will wait for one enter. Now I'm compiling the program and here you can see no warning, no error. So you can see the output. This is the string that we have printed.